Alright, let's talk A810. So this has been one of my favorite dash cams since the time it launched, and I think it launched about 15th of August 2023. It's been close to 1.5 years since the A810 has come into the fore and has been a very strong contender in the under 20,000 price segment. That being said, this is the only camera which offers a native 4K or a true 4K resolution backed by the flagship Starvis-2 sensor, that's the IMX678 under 20K segment. There's no other camera with that same combo within that price segment, making this a very unique and a very interesting choice for most consumers out there. So in this video, let's talk a bit about what works in the favor of the A810 and where does it need to improve a bit more. You're watching Travel Tech, let's get started. So what really works in the favor of the A810 is its pricing and the kind of video quality this particularly provides. So having a true 4K camera backed with a Starvis-2 sensor under 20K segment is the unique forte of the A810. And not only does it give you that flagship resolution, that flagship sensor, it gives you GPS, it gives you a large screen, gives you ADAS functions, and also gives you parking monitoring features including AI motion detection. Considering all of these main features the A810 provides, along with the fact that this gets also the support of some interesting accessories including a CPL filter, a hardwire kit, and more importantly it gets a suction mount. Now talking about the video quality of the front camera, it's simply flawless. The HDR footage, the native 4K resolution, and the power of Starvis-2 combined together to give you what's best available in the market right now, and coming under the price of 20,000, this is an absolutely steel dash camera. The number plate readability during nighttime is supremely good even under the high glare of your headlights. So during both day and nighttime, the video quality from the A810 is simply good. You can even use the video from the front camera for your YouTube videos, for your Instagram travel videos. You can crop in since it's a 4K resolution and you won't be disappointed. So all these factors come together to work in favor of the A810. But there are certain things which many users, which many viewers have pointed out regarding the camera, which they think could be improved a bit more. Starting off with the fact that the rear camera quality needs a bit more work. Also, most users kind of tend to shy away from 70mai dash cameras because most of these cameras get a battery inside and they don't get a supercapacitor. Well, the battery versus supercapacitor debate is a whole new topic and it will require a whole new video. So I'm not going to talk about that. But that's also one thing which has held back many people from getting the A810. Thirdly, one more aspect which most users who have already been using the A810 have been pointing out, that the dashcam tends to heat up a lot. Well, I would like to say that all dashcams heat up, especially 4K cameras. Since 4K image processing needs a lot of processing power, it tends to generate a lot of heat. And that's quite normal for a dash camera and that's nothing to be very concerned about. The only thing which you need to avoid is to touch the dash camera or try to take out the memory card as soon as your car comes to a stop. In that instant, in that particular moment, the dash cam will be obviously hot. Even the memory card will be very hot. All you need to do is just to give it some time, give it a few minutes to cool down. You can later remove the memory card or try to touch the dash cam while removing the memory card. Just give it a few minutes. If you try to do it instantly, you will feel the heat. Other than these aspects, the 70mai A810 is an absolute king of 4K dash cameras under the 20,000 segment. And based on my own personal experience of using this camera, I can surely say that this dash cam lives up to its name and provides you the performance, provides you the video quality for which you paid the money for. So if you have a budget of 20,000 rupees, you want the best possible video quality available within that price range, the 70mai A810 is definitely one of the cameras which you can consider at the top of your list. And in case if you're interested in purchasing this dashcam, the link to purchase it will be given in the description below. Just click down, go ahead and buy it right away. But if you don't have a budget of 20,000 rupees, you are limited to maybe 13 to 14,000 rupees only. You have the younger brother of the A810, the 70mai A510, which offers a very close performance to what the A810 provides. I've made a very detailed comparison video of the A510 along with the A810. You need to check out that video if you are confused between these two cameras. Also, no matter which of these two cameras which you intend to buy, and if you have any doubts or queries regarding either of these cameras, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you feel this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now. Smash that like button, and also don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also, do consider joining in as a member of Travel Tech channel to support my work and also stand a chance to win a dashcam every month in 2025. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.